I am recording a little video for you. So this is machine green. This is the machine component, machine script, right? The component. So when the machine green binds something, it's going to check and see if the game object has a tag on it that is equal to product1. That's the green machine. The red machine, when it grabs something, it's going to check and see whether it has a tag on it that is substrate 0. Then green machine, it's going to take something with a tag, product1, and it's going to make something called test object 3. Red machine is going to make something test object 2. Okay, so let's see, test object, if we click on test object, there we go, I clicked on it in the project window. You can add tags to game objects in under the name of the game object, this is the very top of the game object. You can add tags here. And so the tag for test object 2 is product_1. The available tags you have are product 0, substrate 0, product 1, and product 2. And so in the script, our developer is checking for those, and he's calling them base type tags. So I think if you want to make another kind of object, you need to duplicate a test object and give it a tag, and you can make a new tag in here. When you go to tag, you can add tag, and you would hit this button, and you could make product 3, or whatever you want to call it, substrate product, you could call it blue circle, whatever you want it to be, and then you would have in the machine script, let me see if I can open the machine script here. In the machine script, in Visual Studio, drag it into our little video here. In the machine script, in conversion pairs, we're getting get base tags. We're going to run that method, get base tags, and let's just go to declaration, get base tags. It's gonna look at the tag on the game object. I think you can figure this out. If you cannot, don't worry about it. Let me know. Try to design the level as best you can, and I can look at it later, late today or tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. Okay, click this.